blood donation camp was successfully organized by the composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Crcsre, Shillong, in collaboration with the Regional Blood Center, Pasteur Institute, Shillong, at the Crcsre premises on Friday. The camp was held in observance of World Haemophilia Day with the objective of raising awareness on haemophilia and promoting voluntary blood donation. Delivering the welcome address, Dr. Ram Shakal Sahani, Director Crcsre Shillong, highlighted the critical role of voluntary blood donation and stressed the need for collective efforts to support individuals affected by haemophilia and other blood-related disorders. An awareness session on haemophilia was conducted by Dr. Alia, Medical Officer at the Regional Blood Center, who elaborated on the causes, symptoms and management of the condition while underscoring the importance of timely treatment and the sustained availability of safe blood. The camp witnessed enthusiastic participation from staff, students and volunteers, contributing significantly to its success and demonstrating a strong commitment to social responsibility and public health. The program concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Srimati Banisha Dhar, who expressed appreciation to all dignitaries, participants and medical personnel and organizers for their contributions. The event was coordinated by Srimati Ainuskiwa Shang and Shri Rajesh Chetri, whose efforts ensured the smooth and successful conduct of the program. The initiative underscored the importance of awareness, compassion and community participation in addressing health challenges such as haemophilia.
Today, CRC Shillong is organizing a blood donation camp in collaboration with Regional Blood Center, Pasteur Institute, Shillong. This event is we are conducting here in occasion of the Haemophilia Day, and we know that in all over India, out of 21 type of the disability as per the RPWD Act, there is a one type of the disability, that is blood disorder. Under blood disorder, that is Haemophilia. So this is blood disorder. So because of that, we are conducting this event, blood donation camp, for the people, the general people and the person with disability, those who needed the blood. And the blood donation is very much important for all the seniors citizen of the India, because those who are the needed the blood, that is very much problematic actually. So CRC is initiated for this particular things to donate the blood, and we are expecting 100 people today for donation the blood.